Hello, hope you had a good Christmas. I'm very lucky in that I got this. It's a metal detector. My mum and dad like to go metal detecting, and so for Christmas I got one of my dad's old metal detectors. So the plan is to take it out into the field and, well, I'm thinking Viking horde maybe, or not sure the Vikings came to mid Wales, but there is a Roman road not too far away, so yeah, so I might turn something up. But yeah, let's see what I find. Well, the pingy thing on the metal detector keeps going ping, and it's flashing gold, but then it flashes to foil. So yeah, I'm not quite sure, but I'm digging a big hole. The only problem is it's right under this massive tree, and so it's very hard to dig, but could be gold. Got to keep going. Okay, well, I've dug a big hole and I've not found anything. There's too many roots this close to the tree here, so I'm guessing the big bag of gold that's hidden underneath there will just have to stay there for now, and I'll keep looking elsewhere in the field. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.